Welcome to GeoVenture. If you love Earth's oceans, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dive adventures. In the next 10 minutes, we'll count down 10 amazing facts about tropical seas. One fact per minute. Prepare for breathtaking views above and below the surface as we dive into the secrets of the warmest oceans on Earth. Our countdown begins with the most fundamental characteristic: warmth. Tropical seas are the warmest ocean regions on our planet. The sun hangs high, pouring energy into surface waters that rarely drop below 20 degrees Celsius. This consistent warmth accelerates life and fuels biological processes. Tropical species live faster than their cold water cousins. But warmth is a double-edged sword, making corals sensitive to even slight temperature shifts. Stored heat powers currents and drives weather systems far away. In the sunlit layer, plankton thrives, feeding everything from tiny fish to whale sharks. Despite their smaller area, tropical seas host Earth's highest marine biodiversity, submerged rainforests, epicenters of life. Reefs occupy under 1% of the seafloor, yet shelter up to a quarter of marine species. Thousands of fish, every shape, size, and color. A bewildering array of invertebrates fills every niche. Beyond reefs, mangroves, and seagrass beds serve as nurseries for countless species. Interconnected habitats sustain extraordinary richness, a living testament to nature's creative power. Coral reefs are living structures, built by tiny animals called polyps. Each polyp is small, an anemone-like creature capturing food. Inside their tissues live algae, zooxanthellae, trading sunlight for sugars. Powered by this energy, corals secrete limestone skeletons. Generations build upon generations, creating vast reefs. Endless shapes create a 3D labyrinth. Nooks and crannies offer refuge to hide, hunt, and raise young. A city built by its residents, brick by living brick. Where land meets sea, mangrove forests with feet in salt water. Their roots act as natural breakwaters, protecting coasts. They trap sediment and build land. A perfect nursery for young fish and crustaceans. Even future reef predators begin life here. Mangroves link tropical habitats, a buffer, a filter, and a cradle of life. Silent, steadfast guardians connecting land health to sea health. Seagrass beds, vast, swaying underwater prairies. Not seaweeds, but true flowering plants with roots, stems, and leaves. They lock carbon in their biomass and bury it in sediments. Iconic grazers depend on seagrass for food. Grazing maintains meadow health. Dense blades shelter young life. Masters of disguise cling to the leaves, powerful climate allies and vital sanctuaries of the shallows. The tropical ocean is layered by a sharp temperature boundary, the thermocline. A warm, wind-mixed surface sits atop cooler depths. In meters, temperature can plummet dramatically. Nutrients sink, leaving clear but nutrient-poor surface waters. Upwelling that breaks this barrier triggers life-rich blooms. Predators exploit both worlds, adapted to extreme shifts. A hidden frontier shaping where ocean life can thrive. Tropical seas power a global engine, massive currents moving heat worldwide. Like a planetary circulatory system, they moderate climates and shape weather patterns. Warm water flows poleward, making regions like Western Europe milder. Cold, dense waters return along the seafloor. In normal years, trade winds pile warm water westward, fueling upwelling off South America. During El Niño, that pattern falters. Fisheries crash. Rainfall shifts, extremes ripple globally. La Niña amplifies the opposite, cooling and contrasting impacts. The rhythms of tropical oceans are the rhythms of our world. We arrive at a concerning truth: marine heat waves and devastating coral bleaching. Prolonged abnormal warmth pushes corals beyond their thermal limits. Stressed corals eject their algae, losing food and color. The white you see is the exposed limestone skeleton. Some reefs recover. Prolonged heat starves corals and collapses habitat. From the Great Barrier Reef to the Caribbean, mass bleaching is a stark warning. A fever in the ocean. The future of these ecosystems hangs in the balance. Even under pressure, life here is a masterclass in adaptation. Bright hues can warn, "Do not eat me." Others display to attract mates or defend space. Many vanish in plain sight, camouflage as high art. Symbioses extend beyond corals. The anemone shelters, the clownfish defends and cleans. Cleaning services and portable defenses, ingenious strategies to survive. Shape-shifting to impersonate dangerous creatures. Every species a unique solution to the puzzle of life in a crowded sea. Our number one fact, our profound impact, and our capacity for change. Overfishing and pollution strain fragile ecosystems. A planetary fever intensifies risks. Some practices obliterate reefs in moments. Yet conservation works. Coral gardeners and communities restore life. MPAs let ecosystems rebound and spillover benefits to fisheries. Our choices, from seafood to energy, ripple to distant shores. We can be a force for recovery. Their future is our future, and it is still ours to write. Our countdown concludes. 10 facts in 10 minutes, from the power of warmth to the intricate web of life, and the choices that shape their fate. Join us for more nature deep dives. Like and subscribe to GeoVenture, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.